Want it, ride it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here. So I decided to bring you guys along with me today to do my nails. So thank you so much to Jofay Fashion for sponsoring today's video. So Jofay Fashion specializes in high quality press on nails. So this brand can be found on Amazon, and they have so many different styles and so many different shaped press-on nails to choose from. These press-on nails allow you to have salon quality nails in the convenience of your own home. I love that these nails are quick and easy to apply. They're safe for your natural nails and can last up to 3 weeks. These press-on nails have super trendy designs for a fraction of the cost. The quality of these nails, you guys, is literally everything. I love that these nails do not break. They're nice and thick, and the designs also do not fade off. Please stand by for 20 minutes while I decide which press-on nails I'm gonna rock in today's video. This was super hard because they all were super pretty. But I mean, let's be honest, I think we all know which ones I'm going to choose. I could not help myself, you guys. These are absolutely gorgeous. From the rhinestones to the vertical pastel stripes, I love this set, you guys. Perfect for the spring and summer months. It literally just screams spring to me. In each of their press-on kits, you get 24 press-on nails in 12 different sizes, 20 adhesive tabs, just in case you want to reuse the nails or you just do not like nail glue. Prep pads to remove any dust from the nails before applying the press-ons. And of course, nail glue for the girls that actually want their nails to last up to 2 weeks, like me. You get a mini nail file to buff and prep the nails out before applying the press-ons. And you also get a mini cuticle stick to push back those cuticles. Now that I have all of my nail supplies and my nails are already nice and prepped, here's a quick little before and after, and let's go ahead and apply these nails. When doing your nails at home, you want to make sure that you apply the right size nails. You want to make sure they're going wall to wall, and you also want to make sure that you really take your time to make sure that it's a great fit. You also want to make sure you apply enough glue, because if you apply too little, it won't stick. And sometimes if you apply too much, it may spill out. Me personally, I always end up applying a little bit too much glue, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. The cuticle stick that's offered in each nail kit comes in handy for cleaning up those side wall spills. Now that we're finished with that hand, let's go ahead and move on to the other one. I do love that these nails come in so many different sizes, you guys. They have zeros, they have ones, and me personally, I do have a bigger, fatter thumb, so the size 0 worked perfect for me. So if you do have larger nail beds, don't worry. All of the information and details about these press-on nails will be listed in my description bar below. Now that I have all of the nails on, I'm just gonna go in with some cuticle oil just to soften and moisturize those cuticles. This is definitely giving salon grade, is giving salon quality. And if this is not your first time here, you guys know that I absolutely love press-on nails. That is pretty much all I wear. I do my press-on nails here at home, and I have been doing my press-on nails for years. These press-on nails are super high quality, super sturdy, and I love all of the unique designs that they offer, especially when I want to spice up my look. These are definitely Angel approved and a 10 out of 10. Thank you again so much to Jofay Fashion for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.